Hello everyone, I am Pooja Purohit, an IELTS trainer at IELTS Tutorials Aussies Group. I've done my bachelor's in engineering and my master's from UK. I'm a corporate trainer with an experience of over 8 years now. Certified by ISTD and IDP, I hold expertise in soft skills and behavioral training programs. I also train my students for IELTS and PTE, where I ensure that all my students get their desired bands. It gives me immense contentment to be a part of so many student success stories. My strengths include my teaching expertise and hands-on experience of evaluating a student's weak areas. I thereby give them suitable solutions and feedback to get rid of those weak areas and to reach their full potential. We here at IELTS Tutorials have the best of teaching aids, expert tutors, and authentic and reliable teaching repository. We've designed tailor-made programs after conducting a lot of research and student surveys. Students come up to us with a dream and we give them wings to fly. Students come up to us with a goal and we know exactly how the students can reach their goal. People always tell that practice is the key for IELTS and PTE exam. Yes, of course, it is. Practice is a crucial element for you to get your desired score. But we here at IELTS Tutorials teach our students how to practice using the right strategies and how to manage time. We focus on 3 R's: the right tutor, the right practice strategy, and right attitude. We instill an appetite of continuous learning and improvement in our students. So, what are you waiting for? Come, join IELTS Tutorials and fulfill your dream of studying or settling abroad.